hurricane bucket with everything put in there. There's different types of bolts. And then we got some generic ones to make more of our own because we'd always be missing some. Use the wing tip first is what Frank says. I did tape a couple of examples on the bag in case somebody's confused on how to use them. These special ones are marked Casita storm shutter doors. Those are the big doors, kind of like these doors here, French doors. And then this is a diagram that we have.
And notice how many bolts per window are used in that diagram.
So,
There's 6 to 7.
oh, this is also in Spanish.
Not each.
See, here's the 7. Here's actually 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. And it tells you how many of the bolts.
Only that many. That's all we have.
That's all we have. So don't put a bunch everywhere and then say you ran out.
No, just don't triple them.
Don't triple them. Too much work for you, too much work for us taking them down. And we don't want to run out. Any other final words, honey?
No.
He is so excited about leaving Cabo.
I miss Cabo.
It's a hurricane shutter video. The first ones are down this path inside the little pool room for the casa. And those will do all the lower levels. All of them are numbered. These are where we store the ones for the middle level. You can see they have the little bolt holes there. They have to be installed from left to right or they will not fit correctly. They all have to be installed for all the little numbers here. We try to number them every year because it does fade out. Again, from left to right. We do have special bolts for them. There's even tracks here. You see the little screw holes in order to do the ones that are on the middle level or in front of the door. Up the stairs, we have stored the upper level hurricane shutters. Ta-da! Right over there. You can see again, they're all numbered. There shouldn't really be any ladders needed. Maybe just a step stool. Frank, I forget, how long does it take to install them? Nothing. Whatever. How long does it take to install them? This one here, you simply just have to pull. They're there. There's no extra screws that I know of that's needed. Raising this up or down in order to install them.
Install the shutters?
Yes, how long does it take to install them?
About 20 minutes each.
20 minutes for each window?
I think.
All right. There goes a professional installer. All right, and these guys here too, you can see the little screws. You can see the little holes on the bottom.
Install these before we leave?
I don't know yet. I'm doing a video.
Okay,
This is for the windows. You can see these little daps. We do keep them stored in here.
I'll do it right now. Okay.
The
Don't
curved
worry about
one
it.
is
I'll
the one
install
for
it.
the casita. Video number 2 for hurricane shutters on the casa. You can see he's just putting those up. Do they have to also go left to right, or does it not really matter?
Usually goes left to right. See how they pat down?
Do I give you the next one?
No.
See how they're numbered? Got the little bolts,
Screws.
screws.
These are bolts.
Ah, there we go. We're trying to leave the ladder inside to make it easier. This one is cool because it's got a tray.
Now, they go like this.
No washers necesita.
No. Because they have a built-in washer right there.
Yeah. Cool.
On.
Ah. So some of them that don't have it, then you put a washer
Now,
in.
see how this slot, little slot is right there? You put it in, it's not pull it down. It pops
Okay.
down.
So it's like, okay.
looters down too.
Yeah, because they don't even have a.
We'll have more shit they gotta take off.
Number 2.
2.
Let's
Goes
watch
like
how this
You always
overlaps.
keep this off. This
Oh,
off.
they're smart. Okay.
And this goes over that. Goes like that. Goes like that. Goes
And
like
see how
that.
it gets slid down,
And then you slide it down.
and then you put the bolt.
Then you put the bolt.
That makes perfect sense.
But you put this one first.
Top one first.
Well, it doesn't matter. But you do these first. And then you do the bottom. Or do this one. And you put the next
The
one on.
left. And hopefully my videotaping is okay because it's hard to see through this video. So this one doesn't even have one. A third one.
Doesn't have what?
This one is good.
No.
Just where the screws are, of course.
Yes.
And again, leaving the next one empty until the next one overlaps it. See how it's overlapped.
Yes.
See the numbers at the top. AE, A1. Perfecto. Pop off. A3 coming up.